of WBC News Bulletin, your trusted voice from the heart of the campus. I am Supriya and you are watching Women's Broadcasting Campus, where we empower women's voice and bring you stories that shape our academic and social landscape. Here at WBC, we are committed to showcasing the achievement, event and ideas that reflect the energy and excellence of our campus community. Now, WBC News highlights.
New faces bring new hopes. Guest faculty's member join the academic team. Students sharpens their creative minds at the ODIA essay competition. A warm welcome to our newest batch induction meetings held for UG and PG students. NCC Cadet celebrated World Youth Skill Day with pride and passion. Final year students meet with faculty and parents in key PTMs. Team Ananya gives up with its first official staff meeting. Sport admissions reach competition as the campus welcomes new talent. And finally, the +3 Arts second semester examination commence with heartfelt wishes from the principal.
Let's story in details.
Starting with academic enrichment, the month began on a promising note as new guest faculty members officially joined on July 1st, 2025, strengthening both teaching and mentorship across departments. Their arrival brings fresh perspective and renewed energy to the campus. On 4th July, the spirit of language and expression came alive as students participated enthusiastically in the ODIA essay competition, showcasing the richness of our mother tongue and critical thinking on relevant social issues. In a moment of new beginnings, an induction meeting was organized on July 11th to welcome UG first year students from Arts and Science as well as PG first year students. The session focused on orientation, rules, academic plannings and student resources, helping freshers adjust and feel at home. Campus safety took center stage on July 15th with a workshop on sexual harassment held in the hostel premises. The session educated students on rights, redressal mechanism and the importance of creating a safe and inclusive environment. Meanwhile, on the same day, the NCC unit commemorated World Youth Skill Day 2025 through activities promoting innovation, discipline and the value of life skills in nation building. Continuing the engagement with students, a parents-teacher meeting for final year arts students was held on July 16th, where academic progress and future pathways were discussed in details with parents and faculty. On July 18th, the first editorial meeting of the college magazine Ananya took place. Editors and faculty coordinators discussed article contribution, layout plannings and theme selection. In admissions, the sport admission process concluded successfully on July 19th, finalizing enrollments and paving the ways for upcoming academic years. The same day, the Botany Department of Science held its parents-teacher meeting, focusing on performance evaluation and academic counseling. Looking ahead, on July 29th, the college hosted a career counseling program in collaboration with the Indian Air Force. The session is expected to offer insights into opportunities in the armed forces and inspire students to consider national service as a career path.
आप सबको एक्सप्लेन किया, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा जो हम लोगों के आने.
And finally, on July 25th, the +3 Arts second semester examination began across the campus. The principal extended warm best wishes to all the students, emphasizing sincerity, confidence and commitment to their academic goals.
All the best, dear students, those who are going to appear in PG examination, PG second semester examination from today and UG second semester examination from tomorrow, that is 25th of July 2025. Thank you very much.
Signing off, and remember, when women speak, the world listens. Okay, see you in the next bulletin. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.